cleans, it charges, and it dries. Like, what else can you ask for? When it comes to living healthy to promote your dental, mental, and general well-being, I will be putting up some videos to help you discover easy ways to make a swap. From your toothbrush to your diet, these easy ideas would help you implement changes to promote your mental, dental, and general health. This is Dentachinwag. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning gang, welcome back. Today's video, we'll be talking about making the toothbrush swap. When it comes to taking care of your dental health, the advice usually is to brush your teeth twice daily, not forgetting to clean between your teeth with any interdental cleaning aids, as well as cleaning your tongue. Bearing in mind my last upload, we talked about the 10 common mistakes we make when we take care of our teeth at home. A toothbrush research found that more than half of the toothbrushes that were assessed had fecal deposits on them. And most of us, 90% or even 99% of the world population, store their toothbrushes in the bathroom. I store my toothbrush in the bathroom. So I thought, how can I avoid having this happen to my toothbrush? I went online, I started searching for a toothbrush that would have a cleaning system in it. And I stumbled across this toothbrush that I'll be talking to you about today. So this toothbrush system is the TAO Sonic toothbrush with a cleaning station. But in the box, you're going to get a charging station, toothbrush handle with 2 toothbrush heads, a power charger and a cable. It also has the user manual. This system has got a charging mode, a cleaning mode, as well as a drying mode. Not just cleaning your toothbrush of any bacteria, bugs, or whatever that will cause you harm in your mouth. It's going to give you a clean and dry toothbrush anytime you take it out of this cleaning system. Cleans, it charges, and it dries. Like, what else can you ask for? The cleaning mode uses a UVC lamp, so ultraviolet C lamp, to help clean out all the bugs, and it says it cleans 99.9% of the bacteria that is left on your toothbrush. This ultraviolet C light that is used to clean the toothbrush does not just get rid of the bacteria, it also destroys the DNA of this bacteria. I think all in all, what they are trying to do is just to, put it out there to say that this is what we need, bearing in mind that our toothbrushes clean out a lot of gunk from our teeth. And the way we use it, which is just, brushing your teeth, rinsing it under the tap and just keeping it somewhere. Having a cleaning system will just help you make sure that you are going to have a very clean toothbrush for your next clean. How do you know that this toothbrush is ready and clean of any bacteria? The first thing you need to check the color of this circular area here. When it's fully charged, it goes from blue to white. So the advice will be for you to wait until it's completely cleaned, and this usually takes about 5 minutes. Once that is up, you can then take this out, put your favorite toothpaste on the toothbrush, and then brush away. If you've got this, leave in the comment section how you find it. Do you think it was effective? So I think this is an amazing thing to have, if you're going to be keeping your toothbrushes in the bathroom to avoid, any yuckiness, settling on your toothbrush. Let me know what you think about the video, and would you be getting one of these to give it a try? Put that in the comment section, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because it's to go a long way to helping this channel. To my next upload. Light, camera, teeth.